The system's not working today. I'm not getting any cases. I wonder what's wrong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I off the system since it's your birthday, Luke.
That's so thoughtful of you, Shawn.
Yep.
Anyways, what's that thing you got there, Shawn?
It's the new Toontastic 11 Pro iPad.
Oh, that's so nice. I always wanted an iPad.
Yep.
Thank you so much for the iPad, Shawn. I love it.
You're welcome. Play around.
Thanks, Shawn. Wow, this iPad has some good games. It has Subway Surfers, Angry Birds, and even Among Us. I've heard about Among Us, but I heard it's good for detectives, but I'll play Subway Surfers first since I've heard good reviews on it. Let's play Subway Surfers! Subway Surfers, let me just quickly put my head. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so let's play it. Man, I hate this music. That's so much better. I love quiet and peace. It helps a detective think, you know. Okay, so I jump. I already lost that fat dude. Wasn't like he was gonna catch up to me in the first place. This is so easy. Wait, what is it? Wait a minute. Where are the wheels? Oh my god, I'm floating. What the? Wait, what did I tap on? There's just... Man, I'm flying. This game has a jetpack too. This is so cool. Look at me. I'm so fast, boy. Okay, I'm moving. Man, this is one of the best games I've ever played. Wow. Wonder where that fat guy is. I bet he's so far back that he can never possibly catch up to me. Anyways, this is getting so boring now. Where's that damn finish line? I'm gonna be continuing to play until I find that finish line. Where is it? Come on, where are you, finish line? Seriously. Well, man, a new high score already. Wonder what my old one was. Well, this was super easy. I'll play again next time.